Hello, students, and welcome to 2022, when all of your decimal and fraction dreams will come true. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, we do need to figure out how to do this problem. So I'm going to come up and use the draw function so that it's not constantly disappearing on me. Here we go. I'm going to use black maybe. Okay. So the first thing I have is I have 13 kilograms of milk. I have 3 kilograms of crackers, 24 kilograms of oranges. And I need to divide it into what? Into each box. Into each box. And how many boxes are there for the 6th graders? There are 6, so I've already done that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes down here so that I know I can divide them evenly. Now, out of these 3, the powdered milk, the wheat crackers, and the oranges, which is going to be the easiest to divide into 6 boxes? All right, obviously the oranges. I just realized this hat has been backwards this whole time, so I'm going to just don't look at my hair and I'm going to. All right, much better. There you go. Okay, so right, exactly, the oranges. And how many kilograms of oranges will go in each one? Well, obviously for the oranges, there's 6 kilograms in each box. I'll do that one in black and we'll do the other ones in a different color. Okay, so now let's move on to another one. I think the next easiest would probably be the powdered milk. Okay, so I have 13 at this moment. 13, oops, I did not mean to do that. And I've got to take the 13 and it's got to be divided into 6 different boxes. So what I'm going to say is, this is when you would use your big 7. Okay, so here's 13. We know that we need to divide 13 into 6 equal groups, and the multiplication symbol goes up here. Okay, so what could I put over here? Something times 6 is very close to 13, as close to 13 as I can get. And that's an easy one, right? That's 2. So 2 times 6 is what? It's 12. Which means I have 1 left over. So let's go ahead and put 2 kilograms of powdered milk in each box. I'm doing this one in green to keep up with the different items. Now, I have a 1 here, and I need to divide this 1 by 6. So if I just divided 1 into 6 groups, wouldn't that be 1/6? Okay, and if I put 1/6 here and 1/6 here, and I do that 6 times, well, what is 1/6 6 times? Well, it's 6/6, and 6/6 is the whole, so I know I've done that one correctly. All right, nice. So let's get rid of some of this, and then we'll do our last one, which is wheat crackers. And you need to look back at your problem and see how many wheat crackers are there, how many kilograms, and how are we going to divide it. So I'll do this one in red. Okay, there's our big 7. How many kilograms of wheat crackers do we have? We have 3. Has to be divided into 6 boxes. So now I've got to think something times 6 equals 3 kilograms. This is really hard. So I might even not use my big 7 right now because I'm just trying to think about how could I divide 3 into 6 boxes. Well, remember 3 is really 3.0, which means that I could divide it into parts, right? So let's think about it that way. Get rid of all this here. All right, back to our 3. Okay, so I know this is kind of mind-blowing, but if you think about, instead of just having 3, what if you had $3.00? You could divide that among 6 people, right? You might have to break it into dimes or quarters or pennies or whatever, but you could divide it up. So let's just start by what's something that we know is pretty easy to divide or to add. Let's use like 0.5. Okay, let's use a half of a whole. What if I did 0.5 here and 0.5 here? How much would these two 0.5s together be? That's 1. Okay, what about another 0.5 and another 0.5? That's 2, and another 0.5 and another 0.5, and that's 3. So if I just did 0.5 in each one, then now what I've done is I've divided 3, but I've divided it into 6 equal parts. So now I see how much I have of the milk, how much I have of the crackers, and how much I have of the oranges in each box. And remember, of course, that for our crackers, we decided on 0.5 in each of these boxes.